Hi! Today I have for you a clean and simple card that shows off all 5 of the Bright and Cheery 2018-2020 in colors that are part of the May 2018 Sneak Purchase Special. So I thought to myself, what stamp set will allow me to show off all 5 of the new 2018-2020 in colors on one card and still look fabulous? The answer? The retiring Work of Art stamp set. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. So while I'm showing off the new colors, I also get to show off the new pad design. So here they are, the Bright and Cheery 2018-2020 in colors. Lovely lipstick, Pineapple Punch, Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, and Grapefruit Grove. And if you saw my other May 2018 sneak purchase video with the Love What You Do bundles, you already saw the Grapefruit Grove stamp set. Now, these open differently. Now, here's our old style of pad. We push, flip, and lock that into place. Well, now things are different. Look at this. And so what you do is you pick it up, and like they say, like a compact, then you slide into place. And then to shut it, same thing. That's the new style. Now, these are a little bit stiff when you get them. And so let me show you. Let's take our Blueberry Bushel. So picking it up, and then see, I go to slide, it's a little bit stiff. So I've got a little trick for you. And so some were suggesting WD-40. Somebody said, oh, vegetable oil. I'm thinking vegetable oil, because I suggested my husband one time. I said, hey, I read somewhere instead of WD-40, use vegetable oil. He didn't like that idea. He thought there's a possibility we could draw ants. So instead what I did, I got out just a little bit of Vaseline, all right, and a Q-tip. Let's just put a little bit on here. And we're going to run this in the grooves. So you saw me opening that. So let's go ahead and close it. So we just flip. Look, so easy. All right, so let's try that again. So now we just pick it up. Look at how that slides. So that's the trick. Okay, so I didn't do that to all of them. Let's go ahead. Yeah, that one needs a little bit of help. Go ahead and do this. There we go. So we are all set to make our Work of Art card, and here it is, the Work of Art stamp set. For our clean and simple card, I'm going to use Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to start with a greeting. I know you usually end with the greeting, but I want the greeting in the center, and then I'll build all the other elements around it. And so I'm using the retiring Basic Black Archival Stampin' Pad. This is permanent ink, and so for this style pad, you push, flip, and lock it into place. So let's get this all good and inked up. And like I said, I want the greeting right there. Perfect, we're done with that. All right, so to close this, you pull that lip, flip, and click. And so now we will use the new Pineapple Punch. And now that we've used a little bit of Vaseline, oh, look how nice that slides in there. And we're gonna start with this big paintbrush. So this is a great stamp set. You'll see with this card, you can use them alone, use the stamp set alone. See, having that greeting there helps me just really get these just where I want them. Or great for accents for others. Oh, fabulous. Okay, so to shut these, you pull on that lip, or give that a little push right there. There we go. Oh my goodness, easy, easy, easy. So the next one, Grapefruit Grove. Ah, sliding right in there. And we've got a stamp. Now all the stamps I'm using are from the Work of Art stamp set. And we're gonna come up here and keep this at an angle and stamp. Ah, beautiful. All right, to close. There we go. So next we've got Call Me Clover. There we go. Okay, and I got this one. Come up over here. Aren't these colors seriously Bright and Cheery? Just This would really make somebody's day. Okay, and then Blueberry Bushel. And we've got our dot. Let's just come over here, fill that in. Oh, fantastic. Simple, simple, simple. I love clean and simple cards. And then we've got lovely lipstick for the heart. Aha. Let's grab that heart stamp. Come right up over here And there we go. Oh, so, so sweet. Let me show you something else about these. This is new. It says on here in color, so we'll know that these are in colors. I thought, well, that's pretty cool, because the other ones, you know, that's not on there. It's just that solid. And something else I didn't show you. Okay, so you get labels on the back, and so you can put the color. So I like that it's not just in black. That also shows the color, so you can see the color as you're just scanning down. But then also, there's one for you put it in the inside, because sometimes when they're open, the pad doesn't quite look like the color, and so you'll be able to see the color too. Isn't that fantastic? All right, and so after all that, I better wipe my hands. I certainly don't want to get ink all over my Whisper White cardstock. And so we're going to do some layering. And all right, so this is Whisper White thick cardstock. It has that same great finish for stamping, but it's heavier, great for a card base. This isn't nearly as sturdy, but this is. And so, but if I want to stamp right on here, same great finish. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's adhere this together. And I'm going to use snail adhesive. Put your finger where these ridges are. There we go. And so, you know, we've got a lot of stamp sets and accessories retiring from the 2017-2018 Stampin' Up! Catalog and the 2018 Occasions Catalog. So you'll want to make sure you get all the things that you want from there, like the Work of Art stamp set, before it retires. So I could put this on there flat, but I thought, nope, nope, nope. Let's go ahead and give it some dimension with Stampin' Dimensionals. We're just going to give it a little lift. And so even though this is a really simple card, a clean and simple card, by adding this dimension, it just dresses it up. And what an easy way to do that. So these honeycombed foam adhesive dots. There we go. And then an easy way to get these off, that backing off, take your thumbnail, and look, they don't have to be long, and press in the center, and it makes an edge pop up. So you can get those off easily. There we go. And I'll have a link to my blog post with this card, with all the supplies and the measurements. All right, centered and looking oh so lovely. And then I wanted just a little bit of bling, but I didn't want to take away, so I thought, ooh, look at these. Now these are from the Occasions Catalog and retiring and available only while supplies last. The clear and glittery epoxy shapes. And I thought, well, I want a little bit of glitter. How about that? And so I go ahead and I take them off, but I use my paper piercing tool for placing. And I just thought, well, let's just pepper 3 of these around, because like Grandma always said, you do things in odd numbers, so there'd be 1, 3, or 5. 3 seems to be about my favorite. And one more, so that just that little bit of glitter, just a little something extra to dress up our clean and simple card in the Bright and Cheery 2018-2020 in colors that you can order now with the May 2018 Sneak Purchase Special. If you'd like to make my clean and simple work of art card with the Bright and Cheery 2018-2020 in colors, all the supplies are listed below and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. But remember, the work of art stamp set will soon no longer be available to order. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.